Hi there, hola, bonjour. I'm Mike Pinball Clemens, and on behalf of everyone here at Toronto 2015, let me say we are thrilled to have you as part of our team. This is not just any volunteer opportunity. You're going to be a part of a once-in-a-lifetime event. Get to meet people from all walks of life and make a real impact on this region. Speaking of impact, your next step is to complete what we're calling the Toronto 2015 Volunteer Impact Training Series. Your training is here to make sure you're ready to hit the ground running, hit the pool swimming, or hit the equestrian course jumping. You get the idea. Your training has 4 parts. The first part of your training journey is the Games Impact, an online orientation to the games and to being a volunteer. Next, if you're managing people, you'll be invited to attend an inspiring leadership impact session where we'll huddle about managing teams of amazing volunteers. Next, you'll complete the Role Impact and Venue Impact. They are partly online and partly in person, and they're designed to give you everything you need to know about how to perform your role and how to work in your venue. So dive in, set sail, and get rolling. The games are coming. Are you ready?